Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial we will show you how to add a Zoom meeting invite to your Outlook calendar so you never miss a meeting again. Let's get started. First you go into calendar, you choose a date, for example. Um, for you, for the new Outlook users, and the ones who doesn't use Zoom and Outlook, you will add the Zoom extension from here, from add-ins. It doesn't appear for me, so if you have the same problem, you just go into a new page, you write Microsoft Zoom extension, you go into that one, okay, then click on get it now. So you just fill the informations and this blanks. You select the country, for example France, then you put your phone number, job title, company. These ones are optional. Then click on get it now. Okay, once you fill the blanks and you click on get it now, they send you automatically back to your Outlook email. So how to set the Zoom extension: you go into this icon, settings, then you go to calendar, events and invitations, you choose Zoom, then you click on save, like this one. Okay, then you go back to your calendar, you choose the date, you choose Zoom from here. Then you go to create an event. How? You go into this icon exactly and click on add a Zoom meeting. Okay, it's adds. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you all for watching.